All right. Hey, Sally Brown.
Hey, Gary Brown.
Say hello to the folks at Greatmats.
Hello, Greatmats.
So that's Sally Brown. I'm Gary Brown. We are in our basement. We've just watched the instructional video and started diving in. And we're not sure if we're going to go all the way to the edge or not. We are still thinking about it, whether I'm going to use a straight edge or not. One thing I think is important, at least it seemed important to us. You guys may laugh at us, but we ended up making sure that we kept these two different types of edges separate. Because one of them seems to be sort of a corner edge only, and the other is a good straight edge along the wall. So I think that's important to do, or that was important for us to know. Otherwise, we just dove right in and off we go. I'll take another video when we're done. Okay, so something I want to mention is we had a prior home gym in our garage before we bought this place, and those tiles were much lighter and not nearly as durable. You can just tell these things are way more durable, thicker, tougher, stiffer. These edges aren't going to get chewed up nearly as quickly as our cheaper ones that we bought, which I might add weren't a whole lot less expensive really than these. So I think you're getting a lot more value for the money with this Greatmats product. This is the Pebble foam tile that we're installing.
We did it.
All right, here we are, a matter of minutes later, and we are finished already, at least with the space we want to do for now. We left that bare over there. We haven't decided if we want to go all the way to the edge and cut it, but we do have some tiles in reserve. If you're wondering how thick these things are, look at that. Very nice. So that was very quick. Got nice clean edges all the way around, and we're ready to move our our weight equipment. Some of it's sitting out there on the patio. All right, one last quick shot here as we set our equipment back in here. So far we've used 35 tiles. I think we'll be expanding this at some point. I think we probably will cut our tiles in reserve here and go up against the wall on that side, and then we're probably going to extend this out a little further. We have a door here to be concerned with, but maybe have some aerobic space out here. But that's what it looks like with 35 tiles. See ya.